Hey and welcome to Alt1. I've been thinking a while about making a cryptocurrency robot and have been testing many different platforms. I'm testing every one there is, and I just decided Cryptohopper is the one to go for, and it's pretty cheap. I think it was $18 I pay each month. So my first objective is to basically earn more than $18 return on profit. As you can see, I just have a balance of $790. I did basically just transfer some of the balance I had from some of my binary option robots. I will put more money into this later, but for now that's what I'm going to start with. So currently we can take a look at the settings I have, but before I do that, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. If you want to sign up with Cryptohopper, then just use the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Currently also I have now a startup settings. I'm testing out a little now. I will share the settings here now in YouTube. Later on I will share updates about how things are going. But for the setting wise, if you want to follow my settings, because I will change my settings all the time now and I will optimize it and things like that. I will do that in Telegram and in WhatsApp. I will upload a separate video there showing my settings. So if you want to follow my settings and do the same things I'm doing, you can just go to below the video. You'll find a link to my WhatsApp community and my Telegram community, and you can follow my settings there. So later on, when I change my settings, I will only post it in these two places, okay? So make sure you're part of these two communities. So whatever fits you best, or both, up to you. So now let's take a look at what I have running right now. So like I said, I did just go for the smallest packet. I can do 15 coins at the same time. I don't need so many. So let's go to the configurations. Basically basic settings, and that's just the name. Exchange, I use Binance. I'll leave a link below the video for Binance also. You help me out a little if you don't have an account with Binance from before. Sign up with the link you find below the video. You help me out a little with that. I get some small percent of the fees you're paying, basically. Notification, basically I don't use nothing there. Buy settings, this is the settings I'm using right now. I have a cooldown period. I think it's okay to have that. I might change some of these settings later. Auto merge positions, I like that because if you take it more, I think it's okay to just merge them together and we can come out on a lower price if we need to, okay? Max open positions right now, I just have to 1 because I want to see how the settings is working. The coins, now in the start, I just choose coins I rather have no problem by holding. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB coin. That's the one from Binance, by the way. That's the 3 coins. Later on I'm going to add more coins. All this I will add in WhatsApp and Telegram. But first off, I'm just testing up some strategies, and I will, when I figure out a strategy I like good, then I will start to add more coins, okay? So the strategy I'm using right now, it's multiple TI factors. The ones I've chosen in that, I remember in the past when I was a younger trader, I always traded with stochastic and Boltzmann together. And that did work actually quite good for me. I was profitable with that, I remember. And I'm using on candle size at 30 minutes. So it's quite accurate. I found it to work quite good. I've done some backtest and we should make money doing that. Just these two. And I have not changed any of these numbers yet. That I will do later on, test out the different type of things. And but for right now, this is the settings I'm using. And then trading stop, I'm not using that. I might enable that later, I don't know, let's see. Sell settings, I basically take profit at 1%. That's also something I will play a little around with later. Market, I will always have market. because then we can sell right away. I don't need to be waiting and maybe don't get a sale. So I'd rather take market. Sometimes when you take market, you maybe get 0.93% or something, things like that, but I keep to market price. I think that's better. And when you're trading the biggest coins, you don't have so much issue taking market. You just are making sure you sell right away. Sell strategy, I have not enabled that. I don't feel I need to sell on strategy, but of course I'm going to check it out. That will be more like a stop loss also, because then if something go bad, you sell on strategy. I will figure it out later, but for now I'm not using it. Stop loss, I'm not enabling that. Maybe I do later, who knows. Trailing stop, I don't have. Auto close, I don't have. Maybe that could be something if a position is open too long, if I want to get out of it, I don't know. But for now I'm holding coins I would like to hold, by the way, so I don't think it's something. For now it's not something I'm thinking about. Shorting, I don't think I will play with that. And dollar cost average. Okay, this I have enabled. I'm not sure if I will continue with that or not. Let's see. I just take it 2 times basically. So that means if we get one losing position and he go 8% in minus, as you see here, the trigger at 8%, then I go in one more time, then you have a 4%. I will see. I'll play a little with that also. That might not be smart if we go into some of the other coins I maybe don't want to hold. But for now, for Bitcoin, Ethereum and BNB, I think that is a good choice. Let's see. And also I take it for after 1 day, so I don't come in right away in 8% and maybe he goes 16%, you know, in that day. So I think 1 each day, I think is good enough. So that's basically the settings I have. So if you now go to the dashboard, we can see that he have already taken a trade for Bitcoin. It's hovering around 40%. So we are running in profit. Of course, you can see it's pennies you're talking about. But the thing is, this is something I will do more. So as you can see, we have $790 and only trading with $11. So of course later on we will raise that to much more, so we trade maybe like $100 trades and things like that when we start to have a very good system. But for now I'm just testing out things, and I think later on when we are playing with this and we start to have a good system, I will update everything in WhatsApp and Telegram, and within a month's time I think we will start to have a very good system. But like I said, I will make updates video here on YouTube, how much money I'm making or losing, and we take it from there. But make sure you sign up with the links below the video, so you help me out also. It makes a little more fun for me to make this type of videos when I'm making a small percent of your success, for example with Binance. Actually, I don't make from your success, I make from your fees that you're paying in Binance. So if you have success or no, I make a small percent, by the way. So just openness from my part. And for Cryptohopper, I make just a small percent of your the cost you're paying each month. So make sure you sign up with me there also. So then I don't know if this will be a daily video. That depends on how many trades we do and things like that, if it's fun. If I see we close a trade every day, I make a video every day. But if it takes longer, then maybe this will just be a once a week videos, who knows. This is new for me now because it's quite a long time since I've been running crypto robots. But it's something I always wanted to start with again, because I'm basically trading Forex, I'm trading binary option, and I need the crypto part also. And I know many of you like crypto trading, so it's something I think it will be very interesting to be playing with. But don't pay so much attention to the small profits we're making now. This will be much more later. I'm just playing around with the settings for now. Like I said, my plan now is just to make more than I'm paying for the subscription this month. That's $18. And I will grow it from there, so we start to make some real money here also, of course. So with that, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and push this bell option also, so you get all my So when I post a new video, you will see it. Okay, so that, have an amazing day.